since you're working since a very long time, so do you feel that your job have impacted you, in a advantageous way, in a positive way, or in any way, in fact, do you feel there have been changes, any significant changes in your life because of your job?
Yes, it has definitely done. Earlier, I was a bit shy person, you can say an introvert, but now I find myself not an introvert, but you can say a bit extrovert also. So, due to this job, because when I was put in few years back, I was put in the section called administration. This administration, so you have to look, you have to deal with all the officials of our office. They come with different problems, or they're,
Mhm.
say, suppose somebody
Yeah.
want leave and everything, all these things. So we have to deal with everybody. So we had the, I had the chance to interact with them, and there are some decisions that we have to take. So
Okay.
it made me, I was under compulsion to take the bold steps also
Mhm.
at times. So this helped me to grow.
Okay, okay. That helped you to grow. So basically, it's like you got to, explore things where you felt that you might not be able to, and you had to, you had to uh, spoil your boundaries for that. You actually went through your boundaries for that, right?
Yes, one more thing is that this about English. Okay, say I can't, I could not speak now. I'm speaking a little bit in English, but when it comes to writing, so it started when I was put there in administration. So we have to issue so many orders, circulars. So I had to work on that. So I read so many newspapers and other things that to get the new words and phrases. So I use all those
Okay.
things in my communication letters, etc. in office. So this helped. Otherwise, I would not have been in a position that I can write now.
Okay, okay, okay. But it doesn't look like, you ever had that phase in your life. You are so good in interaction. You are speaking really well, and I really feel that, you have improved a lot actually. If you feel that, if you actually say that you were in such phase in your life, then I completely feel like you have improved a lot.
Yeah, I also think that because I was like that. I never like to speak with others. Even while traveling on buses or trains, also I avoid speaking with others. A kind of introvert, as I said. So now
Mm.
it's the other way around. Now I like to speak with others. I want to know from them what their life is like. That's what.
Mm. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I would just like to correct you over a point. Will that be okay if I just okay?
Yes.
So when you use that, when you talk about something like that, that you have been placed on this particular department, instead of using the word put, you should use placed. I was placed over there.
Yes.
Okay.
Right. Okay.
I was placed in that department. Otherwise, I really feel you have been using the words, after making so many calculations, your words are very calculative, I really feel you are even correcting yourself if you feel that you are going wrong. You are even trying to correct yourself. That's really, I would really like to appreciate that. That's really good.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay. So, since you just told me that you have a family full of, you have two children and a wife. So how do you balance your work life and your family? How do you balance everything?
Yeah, sometimes it is very difficult to balance it, because of this office work. I had to ignore sometimes my uh, home. I don't know how to express it. Say there is something that I need to do at home. Uh, they need me at that particular time at home, but I had to go to office due to there some urgent work. So it's very difficult to maintain the balance, but still I try to make it. I'm try to make the
Make it
balance.
work.
Mm.
Okay, you can use the word make it work. Okay,
Make
so
it.
you actually try to make it work when it comes to balancing both the things, both the lives actually, professional life and personal life. Okay, so here this is kind of a disadvantageous part, when we have to actually work, sometimes we have to keep the family aside and we have to give our, effort towards that thing, towards our work. But do you feel that there have been some personal, positive changes, sorry, in your personal life because of your work? Any positive changes?
Because of my work that I
Any
told you.
any impact?
Pardon.
Any impact on your personal, for let's say with your family or anything like that?
Yeah, it always happen. Suppose my family expect me to be here. Say they have arranged something that they have their plan to go somewhere with me, and I had to take them there, but I could not make out because of the work that I came late at home. So there was an issue every time when I failed to comply with the things that I had to.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so that is what I said, huh? That is more about the disadvantageous part or a negative side of getting involved a lot into work. But have there been any positive changes as well? Any positive impact as well?
Positive impact is mean you can say the punctuality. So I always maintain the punctuality, and for that I always make the plan beforehand that what I should do today. If
Mm-hmm.
there is anything that I have to do at home, and the same thing that there is some other works at office, so I have to. So make it I make the plan beforehand and try to do in a better way, which is keeps everyone say, at office and at home also in good way.
Satisfied. Okay, okay. So basically, you like to schedule your things accordingly, you according to your work life as well, and so that you can even keep your family happy and satisfied. You like to schedule things in such a way, right?
Yes, yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, that's good. Okay, so I didn't really, got to know much. Okay, you said that you had a particular phase in your life where you felt like you lack a little bit in English. So there is where you started to learn English.
Yes, when as I said, I was placed in administration system. Then I started to learn how to write letters and how to write notes, etc., and issue circulars. So I read a lot about those things and practice a lot. So ultimately, I was successful in doing that. So it helped me and it boosted my confidence also. Otherwise,
Oh,
I was not confident enough to do those things. And being in administration, I had the opportunity to
mhm.
interact with the higher authorities, the top
Yeah,
boss. So
right.
initially, I was hesitant to go there.
Mhm.
I always thought like that. What I would say, what if he asks me, how would I give the answer like that? But now it is gone. I can go
Oh,
anytime their room. I can whatever they ask me, I can immediately give them the answers. So yeah, now I feel very good about this.
okay, okay. That's a good thing. Which means you have learned a lot. Okay. So, whenever you feel, whenever you are talking about something which is kind of pushing you back or something like that, you can use the word embarrassing. You used to feel earlier that I might say such things or I might not be able to answer, and that would put you in an embarrassing situation,
But
right?
yeah,
Okay, that is the word. You can include that in your vocabulary as well. I feel you are good in catching words actually because you are using really nice words. I am really enjoying talking to you because of that.
okay, thank you.
Okay, so let's talk a little about the vocabulary part. You went through the vocabulary session because it's like 2 or 3 words today, right?
Yeah, I had a glance. I just don't remember. You can ask me. Okay.
Okay, you gave it a glance. Okay, so we were even talking about this word and using it a lot here in this session about the commuting,
Commuting
right?
means is going to office set up by
Yeah,
using bus.
yeah. Exactly, exactly. It's like similar to traveling. Just it's just that commuting is used more in a professional way when you are traveling to work or your institute or something like that, a professional institute or a company,
Particular,
something like
a particular office on a regular basis.
yes, yes, where you have to travel on a regular basis. Then we have to use the word commute. Absolutely. Okay, and the word transfer.
Transform means suppose I am like as I said that I was a kind of introvert. Now later I
A little
transform
shy
myself from
introvert. Yeah.
to, I transform myself from introvert to extrovert like that. It is
Yes, exactly.
transformation.
Exactly. You used it really well. You just gave it a real life example of the word. That's really great. Okay. You actually even listening to that thing, I actually feel you have transformed yourself. Okay. Okay. So we are done with here with the vocabulary.